Hey folks, so we're back again with another update, and this time it is the undo redo update. When we're creating things and making changes, the state of the line and all of the anchors is being saved into an array, and then when we undo, we're moving backwards through that array, and then when we move forwards, we're moving forward through the array. It's relatively straightforward. There are some caveats because things like the anchors and the arrows, if we have a handle, all of these things are game objects. So if any of them get deleted, like when we undo, then we have to reinstantiate a bunch of stuff or recreate a bunch of objects to replace them, and then replace all the references to those objects in the like big dictionary array that I use to manage all of this stuff. So it's been a lesson in realizing all the ways that I could have rebuilt this from the beginning that would make everything much smoother at this point. I've had to make some improvements just to make things work, but that's kind of the tall and short of things. But you can see that anytime we're doing these different actions, even if we're like putting anchors out and then moving them, we can undo all of that. It'll also work if I'm doing multi-select. We can move stuff over there and then go back and forth. And it's up to 50 states at the moment that it can store. And you can see I've gone through and done a few different things if I go through the history. So yeah, I think we're getting close to the end now. There's maybe like a few more things I could implement. Like some keyboard shortcuts. It would be nice to be able to just like select something, hit delete and have it be deleted, or to use the arrow keys to nudge things in directions. There's that shift snapping thing where you can like move something like diagonally or orthogonally while you're holding down shift instead of it being free movement. And yeah, rotating the canvas I suppose is another thing, but again, I don't know how useful all this stuff's actually going to be. I'm just like thinking of little features and improvements that could exist. I'm pretty tempted to try and cut the list short because I guess this is what they call scope creep, because at this rate I'm never going to get to the next phase. So I think I'm going to try and wrap this up with maybe just those keyboard shortcuts, and then I'm just going to move on to the timeline. Yeah, but for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.